and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my rooming closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I just unboxed a cause box, so I will leave that link on this video. But I got this beautiful poncho in there, and since it's a little chilly outside, I thought I'd keep it on. So for today's unboxing, this is new to me. It's called I can't even pronounce it. Spiritu. S-P-I-R-I-T-U, so Spiritu. So forgive me if I am just killing the name here, but it looked like a really interesting lifestyle box. So let's get into it. It comes nicely packaged, and it looks like bubble wrap, and we all know what we do with bubble wrap. And there's a little card, welcome to Spiritu, designed by Mexican artist Tanya Peregrino. This box has over $150 of beauty and lifestyle goodies from some of our favorite brands. I just keep getting interrupted out here on the porch, I tell ya. So, thank you for being part of our amazing community. Help us spread the love by sharing Spiritu with your friends and followers. And they help financially support entrepreneurs and reinvest funds into the community organizations. So again, another nice box. And this must be the list of the products, so we'll go over that. Then they have Michael Kors Sparkling Blush. I think it's in this box. Can't wait for that. Then there is a coupon for Tresemme and $2 off Seaweed Bath Company. Product at any Target store. Wow. And when you get to the bottom, of course, it's got the tissue paper. This is exciting. My first time with this box, and already I'm excited. More stuff. Get stronger and get that body. Oh, it's a booty lifter. Here's the girl with her booty lifter, and then here is how you use it. And oh, this is awesome. Get that booty. Okay, so impressed. I'm going to try this, but I won't be sharing you my booty. Okay. The next is sourced from Colombia, and it looks like a bracelet. It comes in a nice little bag. Such fun stuff already. I'm so excited. Then the next is the Seaweed Bath Company Restoring Marine Serum, Detox Age Defying. And apply a thin layer over clean face, neck, and décolleté. Follow with Restore and Protect Day Cream or Restoring Marine Night Therapy. Use 1 to 2 times per day. So it comes in this nice box. And of course, you know how I am with boxes. I'm going to rip it apart. And that's what it looks like. It's a very nice size. And this box, $39.99. I will leave the link below so that you can order it and how much it is. The next thing is by Bobbi Brown, Luxe Lip Color. It is the teeniest lipstick I've seen. The color is Red Velvet. I'm so not a red person. So this is gonna have to, it's just the most adorable little tube of lipstick. Very classy looking, very red. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. That is the cutest thing. So far, so good. The next thing is 2 bars of Earth Blends Moisturizing Triple Milled Bar Soap. It looks like it's by Soft Soap. So you get 2 bars of these Earth Blends. Wow. And now that I got these things all over, Soft Soap Earth Blends, and it is a moisturizing liquid hand soap. Look at the size of that. Perfect for the sink. Okay. A Pop Sockets Phone Grip and Stand. Wow, I was just looking at one of these in a store because I see, especially a lot of YouTubers have them on their phones. I think Favor has one on her phone, and I was just watching her, and they were like $10. And I thought, well, that's a little bit much, but it's got things so that you can put it on your phone. Oh my God, I'm like so excited. Then this large thing, Natural Finish Hairspray Smooth 2 by Tresemme. Look at the size of this. Oh my God, I am just so in love with this box right now because there isn't a product in here except for maybe the red lipstick that I would not use. And what I saved for last is, are you ready for this? It's the Michael Kors Sparkling Blush Eau de Perfume Spray in a 1 ounce size. And I think I smelled this in the Elle magazine, and I'm like, I have to have that. And then when I saw this box, I saw that this was in here, and that really was the only reason I ordered the box. But I am just so loving this box. So I think that's, yeah, I don't think it was more than $39.99 for this box. Excuse me, but I could be wrong. Oh. Look at this bottle. What a nice, I don't think I've ever gotten perfume in any of the boxes that I've got. And of course, I don't have any on, so I'm gonna spray some. Oh, it's heaven, total heaven. So let me know what you thought of this box. I loved it. As I said, I've never gotten one before, and all the products in here, like this thing is great. It's going on my phone. The cute little red lipstick by Bobbi Brown. If any of you YouTubers want this lipstick, I will be more than happy to send it to you. So the first person that comments, likes my video, and is subscribed, I will mail you out this little lipstick. And I can't wait to try the seaweed products. And again, you must be able to get them at Target because they sent a coupon with that. and this little bracelet. And of course, who can have too much soap? Actually smells good. I mean, these products were of a great size. And let's go over it. And of course, let me know what you think of the booty band. And yeah, you can use it all sorts of different ways. Me, I will probably end up breaking my leg and be in a cast. So let's go over this. I'm so excited. So these were all the products that were in the box. There was the Michael Kors blush perfume, and that retails for $68. And I believe that it retails for $68. That cute little Bobbi Brown mini luxe, supposedly it's $24, but I would think that would be for the full size. The Seaweed Restoring Serum is $24.99. You can get that, or you can get the Protect Eye Treatment. So I obviously got the serum. The Tresemme hairspray is $4.99. The soft soap, the 2 bars, $3.47. The hand soap is $2.47. The exercise resistant band, and it's by Salty Curls, is $5. The custom spiritual pop socket grip is $10. As I said, I saw it in a store for $10, and I thought, I'm gonna pay $10 for that. And then the handmade Colombian macrame bracelet is $10. So this is a subscription I am definitely keeping. So please comment, let me know what you thought of this subscription. Again, if you like that red lipstick, you just let me know. And I guess it wouldn't be right to have the first person, so I will just do the comment finder for the lipstick. So if you're interested in lipstick, just leave me a comment and we'll take care of that. So as always, you guys have an awesome day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.